Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top and best story tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Enchant, and enhance your notifications. So Enchant changes the appearance of notifications, lock screen as well, banners, thus giving them a refined look. So the features of this tweak is reduces the content size of notifications, helping you get off more notifications on the lock screen. Prominently show the app icons so you can quickly figure out the app from which the notification has appeared in case the thumbnail is present in notification. Takes precedence over the app icon. Change your transparency so you can see the content clearly on every back wallpaper background, and it changes the appearance by customizing the corner radius. This tweak is called Drain, and what this tweak does, it tells you what tweets are using the most battery. So if your battery is going to significantly decrease more just because of your jailbreak and you noticed it, you can download this tweak Drain, and it tells you what tweets are draining the most battery. This tweak is called Secession, restore without updating via root file system DMGs. In other words, you guys can restore without having to update and to the latest iOS version and lose your jailbreak. So you can restore and keep the iOS version you're on. This tweak is called Circuit for YouTube by STEMgrade. And no ads, no red banners on Circuit, which on iOS and iPadOS 11 to 14. Circuit is a YouTube plus alternative. It gives you features for YouTube, like download videos and etc. This is called Deficient or Deficient. Tweets for YouTube with over 60 plus tweets to choose from. Updated premium pop-up added. Others, new tweets added. YouTube Music added. Circuit tweets, works on iOS and iPadOS 11 to 14. This is called Proper Lock Justers. And also another tweet called Proper CC Background. Next tweet is called Aquarius, and makes the last screen player better. Next tweet is called Smart Bundle 2, ultimate tweak the combo to save and tune your battery. This tweet is called Code Red, with the 3s as E's. And supports iOS 7 up to iOS 14. It's basically just a theme, as you see. It's like a red theme for your device. This is called No Pass After Respring. Safe, disables the passcode after a respring. This is called Bear, a simple, powerful Tumblr tweak. So you get these features with Tumblr. This is called Kangaroo, all-in-one tweak for a kick. So you can access powerful features. As the tweak, you can spoof images, disable type-in notification, disable read receipts, auto-loop videos. And supports kick version 15.28.0. This is called Owl, a powerful Twitter tweak. Get these features with Twitter. I mention also, I know I already talked about this tweak, Smart Battery 2, but I also want to mention that now version 1.5 now changes the percentage color based on the battery status, and you get a menu that enables you to enable or disable low power mode or check the health of the battery. This is called Phosphor Tools, helper tools for Phosphor tweets. This is called PS App Other Audio, allows you to play other app audio when in a party via PlayStation app. This is called Home Plus Pro, and it's a dynamic live home screen layout and intuitive UI. This is called Jellyfish, monitorize your lock screen, supports iOS 13 to 14.3. This week is called Be Green 13, set a custom battery percentage style. This week is called Admin Plus, and what this week does, Animations Be Fast Plus is completely rewritten from the ground up, from the version of Animations Be Fast Plus, and it speeds up your animations to make your device faster. This is called Android Bar, and feature packed quick action bar for iOS. This is called My Blow ets, and basically allows you to block revotes, helps block revotes, blocks ads, trackers, minors, and more. This is called Artsy, and modified the lock screen, control center of Spotify music app now playing views based on the album artwork. This is called Panorama Papers, update for iOS 12 and 13 as a different image to each springboard screen. It was supported for iOS 14. This is called Tweak Restrictor, and supports all devices on iOS 13. Lets disable all tweets and apps such as PayPal or Snapchat in order to prevent bans. This is called Anatomy, and it's a daemon engine for iOS 7 through iOS 11. This is called Animation Less. Animation Less removes the animations from launching the Animon application, bringing it to speed up. This is called libhooker, a general purpose injection and hooking library for 64-bit devices. This is called libhooker configurator, and change the libhook configuration to make it compatible with Substrate. This is called No More Small Apps, and makes all apps full screen on Knox devices. This is called Custom Sounds 2, and allows you users to customize the sounds the devices make. It's called ultrasound, the volume HUD you deserve. So supports iOS 11 to 13.7. Changes almost every aspect of the volume HUD. Ultrasound is the upgrade that you deserve. This is called Cuboid. It was actually been updated to support iOS 14. This is called Wave Away, a tweak that allows you to customize iOS in many ways. For free, supports iOS 13 and 14. This tree is called CarPlay Enable. Using the application on CarPlay, supports iOS 14 and up. If you guys are running torrent jailbreak, a lot of people are saying that they have issues using this tweak using torrent jailbreaks. You might have to use CarBridge until the developer updates the tweak, or you can switch over to Unc0ver or Checkra1n if you can, and still use this tweak. It's called Mail Labor 14. Highlight emails in the stock iOS mail app. This is called More Bar Ets 13. More status bar icons. This is called Short Look and notifications at a glance. Supports iOS 11 to 14. This is called Block UX and best privacy focused ad blocker for iOS. This is called Mega UHD and also another ad blocker for iOS. And this is Mega HUB IP version 4.6. Like I said, ad blocker for iOS. The last tweak is called Buy Quick Action. Removes the 2 quick action buttons from the lock screen. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.